Welcome to Showcase Richmond. I'm Amy Carter. RVA Financial is celebrating 75 years in the city of Richmond. And here to tell us all about the credit union and its impact on the city is the CEO of RVA Financial, Lindsey. Welcome to Showcase Richmond.
Well, thank you so much, Amy, for having us here today.
Yes, this is so exciting. Congratulations on 75 years. And for those who may not know, what makes your credit union different from a traditional bank?
So thank you for the congratulations on the 75 years. So what made the difference, the primary difference from a traditional financial institution or a bank and the credit union is people helping people. We are really there to assist and to help our community grow stronger financially.
And you mentioned serving, everyday people. What type of financial assistance do you provide?
So we provide financial services such as financial counseling, or coaching. I like to call it coaching because when we work together, we are a team. Mm-hmm. So it's financial coaching. We have lending products. We have credit builder products for those that are either have had a little more colorful credit history, mm-hmm. or even for those that are new into the credit
arena.
Into the newer credit arena.
Wow. And talk a little bit about the Empowerment Center.
So our Empowerment Center does one-on-one financial counseling, or coaching, I should mm-hmm. say. It coaches that individual to help them meet their goals, whether it's helping them create a budget, teaching them how to use credit or how to use a credit card. A lot of people mm-hmm. will get a credit card, but they don't really know how to use their credit card. So we also provide coaching or tips on how to use their credit card, how to improve your credit score so that you don't pay as much mm-hmm. when you are in a position to start lending. We offer first-time home buyer program.
Yeah.
Have a first-time home buyer program as well.
That is awesome. And you're also active in the schools and nonprofits. And talk about the outreach. What does that look like?
So outreach for us is going out into our community. Whether you're a member or not, if you are a participant of a particular program that we work with, like United Way or the City of Richmond's Office of Community Wealth Building, mm-hmm. different types of programs that are within the community. We go out and we also assist them with their financial literacy programs. We go into the high schools to teach the children that are coming out, these new adults that are coming out of school, how to use your money. What's the best way to use your money so that when you're able to, or when you're ready to purchase your first home or your first car or get their credit card or build your credit or whatever, we try to give them the education in order to make good, sound decisions.
That is so important, because if they're not getting that in school or even from their home environment, they really need that nurturing to know this is how you correctly spend money and use money wisely. Now I want to mention you stepped into the CEO role in 2024. So what is your vision for the future of the credit union?
So the vision, our vision, because it's not just my vision, because I can't do it by myself, but our vision is to empower our community to make sound financial decisions. Yeah. If your money's funny, life is funny as well. And we understand things happen, but what can we do to improve our quality or the quality of life of our community? And it's not just for me, it's not just for you, it's for everyone. We just want to include everyone in this financial process.
Definitely. I love that community approach. That is such a blessing, such a blessing. Thank you so much, Cindy, for chatting with me and sharing more about RVA Financial. Of course, for those of you watching at home, if you would like more information, we have contact information for the organization. You can head to rvafinancial.com. That is the website, rvafinancial.com. That's where you can learn more about their Empowerment Center. You can also give them a call. The phone number is there as well, 804-359-8754. Again, that number, 804-359-8754. Take advantage of the many opportunities they have. Again, they give back to the community, but they can also help you as well.